Hello, this is Brandon and welcome to this video on programming. Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of code and take a look at some of the concepts and techniques that make it possible for us to create amazing things with a computer. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, this video is guaranteed to provide you with valuable insights and helpful tips for improving your programming skills. So sit back, relax, and let's dive deep into the fascinating world of programming. We'll delve into the depths of the software engineering field to learn about programming languages that can be loved or hated, beautiful or ugly, compiled or interpreted, useful or weird, and everything in between. At the end of this video, you will have a good understanding of a roadmap. However, you may end up feeling overwhelmed, as this iceberg is just the tip of the vast knowledge you will need to acquire. Every programming language has its own iceberg within it that goes endlessly like a Mandelbrot set, which can be coded using any of the languages we'll be examining. Before we start, there are many programming icebergs out there, but this one will rank the languages based on where a beginner might encounter them. While learning to code from scratch, each level will have its own unique theme. We will begin with languages that are designed to make programming as easy as possible for those who know nothing about it. With its colorful and intuitive interface, Scratch allows users to build animations, interactive stories, and games using blocks that snap together like puzzle pieces. The drag and drop approach to coding helps users focus on the logic and concepts of programming rather than getting bogged down by the syntax. Scratch is the cutting-edge coding platform, has its roots in the early programming languages like BASIC, beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code. BASIC was a major milestone in the world of programming as it was the first language that made coding accessible to a wider audience. It was developed at Dartmouth College in 1964 and it was quickly embraced by aspiring programmers due to its user-friendly interface and its straightforward commands such as print, go, to, and for. BASIC became a staple on the road of personal computing, and it was included in most personal computers of that era, making it the preferred choice for learning how to code. Over the next few decades, BASIC remained the to-go option for many who were just starting out in programming. Today's dynamic high-level programming languages like Python and JavaScript have become increasingly popular among new programmers. Python in particular has become a favorite among developers due to its straightforward and minimal syntax. Unlike other programming languages, Python eliminates the need for complex commands like braces, semicolons, and others, making it easier to learn and use. Python uses indentation to define different blocks of code, which is a more intuitive way of structuring code. JavaScript, on the other hand, is an indispensable language for web developers. It is used in nearly every application written for web, making it a critical skill for anyone interested in web development. Although its syntax may be considered more complex than Python, it remains a critical tool in the world of web development. Any application that can be written in JavaScript will eventually be written in JavaScript. Once you have learned a high-level language like Python or JavaScript, the possibilities for what you can create are virtually endless. You will have the skill to build software applications of all kinds, from simple programs to complex, multifunctional systems. With these skills, you can launch a successful and rewarding career as a software engineer without ever having to delve into the low-level details of programming. The versatility and power of these high-level languages make them an excellent choice for anyone looking to start a career in software development. With a solid foundation in a high-level language, you will have the skills and confidence to tackle any coding challenge that comes your way. On the next level, we have a group of programming languages that are widely used but have a more specialized function. These languages are typically more niche and are used in specific fields or specific tasks. They have gained popularity in their respective areas and have become go-to choices for many professionals. While they may not have the same widespread usage as general-purpose languages like Python or Java, they are critical tools for many software developers and are worth exploring for anyone looking to specialize in a particular area of programming. Programmers prefer to execute tasks on their computer via the terminal with the use of scripting languages such as Bash and PowerShell. For web development, one must familiarize themselves with HTML and CSS, which form a programming language that can be considered turning complete but are mainly utilized to structure and style a website. Most applications necessitate a database, with SQL being the most frequently used language for database management. Python is a commonly used language, but other dynamic languages such as PHP for server-side web apps, Lua for its simplicity and quickness in engines like Roblox and World of Warcraft, Ruby is easily learned object-oriented approach commonly used with the Rails framework, and R or Julia with data science and scientific computing may be more suitable for specific projects. All these languages have a dynamic type system. However, as the software becomes more complex, a more structured framework may be required, which can be achieved through a static type system. As much as I would like to continue talking about this iceberg, I wouldn't have enough time as I will exceed the 15-minute time limit. So I'm going to move on and try to do some coding today. I'm going to be using Roblox and challenge myself to code a game in under 10 minutes. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna go and start the chat timer right now. Here we go, 10 minutes on the clock. Okay, yeah, I'm actually nervous for some reason. Okay, so we have 10 minutes on the clock. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Alright, so first thing first, I want to get the grass, okay? I want to change this at least, so do grass, make it green, okay? This could be pretty much our map, okay, but we need to get coding right away. Alright, so first thing first, I need a gun, okay? I'm not gonna use any scripts from the toolbox at all. I'm just gonna take that model though, because like I'm not gonna actually build a model because like literally that'll take ages. I'm just gonna take the gun, okay? That's it. I'm gonna leave all the scripts right now. As you can see, all the scripts are gone. I'm not using any of these scripts, okay? I just want the gun, alright? That's it. Alright, now I didn't actually make a bullet for my gun now because I'm gonna make it like a zombie shooter game. So we need to actually quick. Oh my gosh, dude, we have like no time. Pretty small. Okay, we need to hurry, okay? Why am I scared? Like first, okay, we need to create a script inside of a gun, okay? So now we need to add the script here inside the gun. And what we're gonna do here is basically obviously get this bullet from the store, so we'll do that real quick. Okay, time is going fast. Oh my gosh. Okay, local tools, okay, script on parents, local parents, okay, local bullet speed is equal to 200 right now. We want 2 bullet speed, we want bullet damage, and then we want like a fire rate. Alright. Then we're gonna basically get a little debounce right here, local streams, alright, and fast into adult activity rate. You want to make sure it's clicked. Okay, I'm actually going fast. Right here, what do we go? Okay, so then we get the debounce right here. So now we wait, why is it not working? Okay, we need to get the look vector from the mouse, but we can't get it from the server script. Okay, so we actually create a remote function real quick. So let's create a remote function. I'm not even gonna name this thing. I'm literally just gonna let me get the bullet, of course. Okay, so we get that done. Basically, we get that. What this does right here is gets all the variables, and then it gets some quick values right there, and it takes to see if we clicked it, or if we clicked it, it's shooting, then you don't do anything else, right? You want to run it again, so then what we do is we check it to see what the look factor is, and I'm going to code that right now. Then we get a bullet, you can clone it and we put it right there. And then also when you set the velocity, I forgot to do it, so we'll do the new bullet dot velocity equals to mouse, hit the lock vector, time bullets. Okay, we're gonna hurry on. Okay, you go faster. Alright, like a script in the script. We basically we get replicated storage. Alright, we're doing alright. Here's returning the look vector because we need that, so we want to actually shoot the bullet. So right, alright, that's pretty much that. So the gun actually should work right now. Have time right now to test it. So alright, we need a zombie. Okay, so oh my gosh, okay, hurry up. Okay, I'm not going to use obviously any scripts like I said. I'm trying to use the model, so let me go find a quick zombie right now. Here, yeah, that should work. Okay, let me leave all the scripts out. Alright, then we're going to put a script into the zombie, which is like spawns them in. Okay, I'm also getting make a floor in here. It's called zombie, so we can put them all in there. Alright, then basically we're going to go ahead and spawn it in. So we're going in near the character. Okay, I'm going to make a hit box with the zombie. What I'm going to do is doing a high hitbox. I'm going to load the hitbox to, oh no, okay, we need to get the hitbox done here, so we go, it's all good. Alright, we need to hurry this is up to go for real. Okay, and then if the bullet hits, if we want it to, make sure that it takes damage. Obviously, if the is less than 0, then we're going to destroy the zombie. Okay, obviously, but I want to actually add the amount in a global variable, so let's do that real quick. Okay, so basically it just adds like to the amount of dead zombies that we know, and then when it actually like spawns a minute again, you're going to need when I do that one for later. Alright, I need that one more script, I'm pretty sure. That's what will be like a main little framework with there actually the zombie inside of the server storage. Okay, the server script service. Oh my gosh, dude, we have like 2 minutes left. Okay, so all I want to do here is basically to find the dead zombies variable, which would be 0, and then we're gonna obviously gotta get the server again storage. Then we're gonna create a new zombie to start it off, right? Then we're going to start the zombie primary part C. Friend, okay. I'm going to say the primary part from that, okay. Okay, then it should work. Okay, then let's make a primary part real quick. So I got to make sure I get that 59 seconds. Oh my gosh, bro. Faster. Okay, wait, 1, 2. Okay, we're gonna check that to see if we got zombies left right now, because we're gonna keep looking through. See, so then the table's empty. We're going to four eyes in the dead zombies. We're going to create a little new C frame. Okay, we'll have 10 seconds left. Okay, we're out of time, but it's fine. I'm leaving my last code. I'm gonna bring my last line of code right here. So all I'm doing is this and this. Then we're gonna just do a little random and then math random 1 of the 100. Okay, that's it. That's all I need. All right, we're done. Okay, coding with 10 seconds left. I finished. Okay, that was my last line. That's fine. All right. So basically, I don't want to explain it, but it's all because it might kind of confusing. But like the script right here is basically the script. Oh no, that wasn't bad. Okay, this clip right here is basically like the script that creates the bullet. Right, this one gets like the little way it's looking right here. Need to find out where it's looking, so that's like what the script does, and then the script actually codes the cache for the zombies, so they take damage and also moves and the zombie around, also makes it so it takes damage, and then also so it can take damage to you. And then this one basically the framework that actually spawned in the zombies after the round ends or whatever. All right, now I don't know if it works. I had literally 10 minutes. Okay, so don't judge me don't judge me if it doesn't. Okay, I'm gonna go and test it out right now. Hopefully it does. Here we go. One more truth. Okay, let's go ahead and play. It works. Let's go. Okay, so she's 1 and 2. Okay, look, I'm killing the zombies right now. Okay, my gun is really bad. I know, like the bullets literally pause in there for a second, but who cares? Every time, wait, why did it go from the 2 to 4 zombies? Who cares? But as you can see, I'm literally like somewhere now. It actually works, and they can kill me too. So as you guys can see in the second, there's a lot of zombies. The only thing I'm going to do instead of it is actually up the movement speed. It's a little bit. All I have to do is like to do that is just go surface right there, go to the humanoid, change the walk speed. All right, we're gonna do that to like 20 point. Okay, so it's a little bit more than us. That way it's a little bit harder, but now I'm pretty sure it should be pretty well balanced, and I think be fun. But there we go. Okay, but as you can see, there's almost a little bit faster, and now you can actually spawn in. Like they can come and get me before if I can't run forever. Like right now, if I run like this longer, I'll run closer, it'll get to me. And actually, wait, why is it getting like jittery? Like this is why kind of weird. I'm not sure why it freezes. So probably because the move position is like set like that for every second. But who cares? I'm sitting like, yeah, right. But yeah, that's my zombie defense. I know the map is awful, but who cares? I still did good, in my opinion.